Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with a paper piecing collectibles from Marianne design. Here it is. I got it last week and I put it together, filmed it, and of course had to plan it and edit and everything. But I also got these and this is cute. And there's all kinds of pieces. This is the 1488 collectibles, 1488. The hamsters that I want to try to turn into guinea pigs are 1489. And then I got these sand dunes kind of things. They are from Marianne design as well. But you can use grassy hills as well, of course. This is LR0664. And I cut it all from double-sided... not double-sided tape. I cut it from colored card. And behind some I put double-sided tape. For the flowers I didn't, because I thought, you know, that's a lot of tape for a little flower. But most of them I did. And I'm starting my card base with a green field. And my card base was a bit wider, so I cut it off screen. And these are my grassy hills. I didn't do the sprigs. You can, of course, but I can. Sorry, that I'm fidgeting. I'm using mowed lawn at first. I didn't really show much, so I switched to forest moss, just to give a little, you know, definition to the hill, because it's all the same color green. And I did the same on the mole hill. And this is the first time I put them in together. But I thought maybe it would be fun if I make it into an interactive slider card, so he pops out of the molehill. Yeah, I don't know how to do it with the hands though, but we'll see if I can make that. So this is scrap paper. I'm just testing the color on here. And yeah, they're supposed to be sandy dunes or beachy stuff, but you know, waves maybe even. But yeah, I used them for snow hills the other week. I think. I don't remember. But that's okay. I see grassy hills, so that's why you can also cut it by hand. You know, yeah, I use the snow drifts on my favorite things a lot as well for hills, not because there's snow drifts. Yeah. This is ground espresso and some brown card. I didn't put double-sided tape here because I thought, you know, this is quite big and I want to foam tape it, so I mounted it with foam. And at first I wanted to put him like there in the bottom. I changed my mind and put him in the middle. I thought there's enough room. I have 3 sets with punny animal sentiments. One is from Simon Stamp. One was from Crafting Diva. It's no longer in business, of course. And I actually have a mole set from Clearly Besotted. But yeah, I'll show them later to you. Those are really tiny, and I Dig You would be nice if it were a little bit bigger. So I didn't use them. I might just put Happy Birthday on there, or Love is Blind. I don't know. Moles are. That's why he's wearing a glass in the glasses. I got the glasses from mirrored card, by the way, and the rest just, you know, normal colored card. And yeah, I thought that looked maybe more like it's made from metal, and I used silver, but you can use brass or even pink metallic if you have it. And I did stick a lot to the packaging to put them together. But I'll show you later when I'm done. Here's his body with double-sided tape. And I'm just going to put him there. And there's his mouth. I'm going to cover it with a little piece of black. Just a square behind it. The die cuts it out and you can cut it off. But then you have to die cut him twice on different colors. And, yeah, I already die cut 3 eyes and in pink and you'll see. But because they are attached, the little bits and bobs, sometimes I group per color, but this time not so much. And here's my glasses, and I'm just looking at the packaging, how he's supposed to go. And then I will put his eye on, because I thought if I stick his eye on first, it might look weird inside the glasses. I'm just sticking everything down, also his mouth, because that didn't stick. It's a release paper. And I thought, we don't have to fill up that bit. The mouth is always more on the inside, isn't it? So I think that works out great this way. And the shine on the nose that's on the packaging, they did that from this eye and then from white. And I just used my gel pen because I didn't want to die cut also a white nose and this pointy thingy on his nose again. So I don't mind die cutting, it's just the leftovers. This is where I went on the packaging. I'm not really sure if moles have two colored noses, to be honest, but he looks funny. So I did that anyway. See, that was it. I'm quite sure I did die cut that from the eye, but I'm not big on shiny stuff on fur, as you might know, but his nose might be shiny like a dog's nose or something. So you see, that's the mouth bit that you could put back in, and you could color it with a marker as well, but I just stuck it behind, so easy peasy solution. And I'm working on a little piece of leftover release paper just so, because it doesn't stick. I had to take off the backing, of course, and now I'm putting it on the card. See, and I thought I put it here, but I thought no, I'm tucking it behind. It's much more fun. He's so cute. I think it's a he. Don't know why, but moles are he's, in my opinion. See, there's a little bit of double-sided tape, and I cut it, next to it, so I have to glue this one down. But that's okay. You just make a mess. So I like double-sided tape because you have stickers and you don't see seepage. But I didn't see. I just put double-sided tape on half the cardstock because it's that size that fits, and then just didn't look where the double-sided tape was. It's a bit stupid, but yeah. And there's it could be a cloud as well. But there's little molehills, and the other one has it on his head or her head, and then the flower on top. But I just used it as a little bit of extra dirt that came, rolling down the molehill. I'm not sure. And because I had to die cut the flowers twice, yellow and pink, I'm just changing it up for my other one. And the stem has a little bit of a thinner, pointy end, but I ignored that. So because I wanted him to, to point the other way. And that's probably not how flowers grow, but I'm gonna cover it up and you can't see it and make a mess. See, that's why I used double-sided tape. And it wasn't on this one, so I was lazy. But yeah, a little bit. So the one has the pink heart and the other one has the yellow heart, and then the petals are the other color. And these are also with the double-sided tape behind it, but I didn't die cut through it completely, so there's some already stuck. See, this is a new roll, a different brand. I think it's tougher, not sure. But there you go. Here's my mole. Oh, this is so funny. Not sure I should draw in teeth, but didn't want to mess him up. Here's my mischievous moles from Clearly Besotted, but they're just too small. And the animal antics from Clearly Besotted, sorry. A huge sphinx might have been good because it's a huge molehill. But yeah, I think that's for elephants. But, so I leave it and maybe put something on when I know where it's for. But thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.